Teacher Olumide is here again, and we have another question, but this time around, we have a question on composite mapping, and it says, if f and g are mappings defined over the set of real numbers by f of x being equals to x plus 2 and g of x being equals to 2x squared plus 1 respectively. So we've been asked to find the value of x for which this function of this f of g of x is equals to this. So what we are going to do is we will take the left hand side, we'll pieces it, we'll take the right hand side, we'll pieces it, then we'll get to equate them later on. So let's start. F of g of x. So what we are going to do first is that g of x is going to be substituted inside f of x. So that's what this composite function means. What you have for g of x, substitute it inside your f of x. And from the question, our g of x has been given to be equals to 2x squared plus 1. Now, f of x is given as x plus 2. So what it means is if I substitute this g of x, which is equals to this, into f of x, so that means we are looking for f of g of x. Now, all I have written here is the same as this. F of g of x is still the same as f of g of x, but I'm just using this big bracket to simplify it for us. So it means anywhere you see x, you are going to be substituting the value of g of x. So that means this x will now be the value of your g of x, which is 2x squared plus 1 plus 2, which is equals to 2x squared plus 3. Now that is our f of g of x. Now to the other side, g of f of x, what this also means is the value of f of x, you are going to substitute it into g of x. And we have that f of x from the question is equals to x plus 2. Now g of x is given as 2x squared plus 1. So that means g of f of x, meaning that anywhere you see x, you substitute f of x. So that's this place. We have 2 brackets, no longer x, but you use the value of you use the value of f of x here. So f of x is x plus 2. There is a square there, plus 1. So we have 2 brackets. If you expand this, you are going to get x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 1. If you multiply this, it means multiply it in 2 places. Now, if this 2 opens this bracket, we have 2x squared plus, that's going to give us 8x plus 8 plus 1. And that is equals to 2x squared plus 8x plus 9. Now, equating the 2 that we have gotten now, don't forget what we've just gotten here is g of f of x, which is the same as this as well. So equating them, f of g of x equals to g of f of x. So for f of g of x, we got 2x squared plus 3, while for g of f of x, we got 2x squared plus 8x plus 9. So by the time we collect like terms, if 2x squared should go to the other side, we are going to get 0. So we can leave 8x on the right hand side. We have 3. If 9 should come to the other side, it becomes minus 9. That's to 8x. 3 minus 9 is going to give us minus 6, 8x. If we divide both sides by 8, we have minus 6 over 8, and we have 8x over 8. 8 cancels 8. So we finally have 2 can go, that's 3 all over 4. So this is the value of x that makes these 2 composite function equal. Thank you for joining my class today. Like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.